Hi guys, MFM Matias from YouTube. We have a product from Motodynamic. It's a company from USA. Turn signal LED sequential lights to install on my Honda CBR 1000 RR 2016. Very fast shipping and well packaged. As you can see, they provide explicit instruction manual. Okay. They also provide this small module. This is to program your LED sequential lights. I will explain you later when the turn signal is installed on my motorcycle. And we also have this voltage stabilization kit, okay? And finally our turn signal. I choose light smoke turn signal, and what I love about this one is the LEDs are hidden. You can't see them like this. You can see the LEDs, they are hidden and can't see directly, okay? They have this kind of mirror that reflects the LEDs. Very good quality. Let's install it and see how it works, okay? Let's switch our tail light. It's pretty simple on this model. Just remove both small side panels, both seats, and this tail section, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, just installed our new taillight from Motodynamic. Just love the look of it. Awesome quality, perfect fit. Couldn't be happier. We'll show you now the functionality of the taillight with the turn signals and the brake system, okay? Okay guys, we'll now turn on the ignition key. As you can see, the LEDs are very bright. We'll show you the sequential turn signal, left side, right side, and both. About the brake system, it blinks 3 times and fixes. This gets a lot of attention when you brake. Don't forget to check motodynamic.com. They have a lot of taillights available for your motorcycle. I highly recommend their products, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.